How do we draw or interpret a pictograph? Let us understand with Anil Kumar. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. In this video, we'll discuss what is a pictograph, how do we draw one, and how do we interpret one. So I'm going to take two examples. One, as you can see here, we are given some information. From this information, we are going to plot a pictograph, I should say draw or sketch a pictograph. Then we have the other example where pictograph is given to us. And from this pictograph, we'll interpret the information and write few details, answer these questions. Perfect. So this video in itself covers the complete topic of understanding pictograph at junior and middle school level. Some questions may be slightly difficult to answer, as finding percent, right? Which may be for grade 7 8 students. Pictograph, as you know, represents single variable information. So, this is also not known to many students. When we have information about just one thing, in these two examples, that information is number of students. So, only one thing which we are counting is number of students. So it's a single variable representation, right? A line graph, as you can see, represents two things at the same time, x and y, right? Pictograph represents one thing at a time, single variable. Now, let's look into this pictograph, but we'll answer the first question. So what you see here is nice picture, some circles colored, and most important here is the key. Key represents what does each picture mean. Pictograph, as the name suggests, picture related, right? Graph. It has been used from ancient times, right? We have seen pictographs in caves, right? It's a very easy and a very well understood technique of representing data or information. So now you see, we made a circle, and you can also see a parts of circle here. Do you see that? Scale 4 students. It means we can cut the circle. It has infinite symmetry. You can cut the circle into as many parts and represent any bit of information. You get the idea. So it's a very beautiful way to represent the information, right? So now let's go to our main question to be answered in this particular video. We'll answer the other one in the next video. Well, in case you want to learn directly from me, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Our students are right there on the top. Perfect. So let's begin. Table below shows number of students present in a class of 30 students for a week. So, important information given is being highlighted 30 students. Okay. Now, the table shows day of the week and students present Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 24, 26, 30, 25, and 27 are the number of students present during these days, respectively. Question number one here is to represent the information by a pictograph. That means, as I showed you, this is something which we have to draw, right? Do you understand? That is what we have to draw for this particular information. Question number two is which day saw 100% attendance? And question number three is what was the number of absentees in that week? Okay. So, understand these questions. We need to answer them after making a pictograph. So, first, let us begin by making a pictograph. So, as I said, what should be the key? Key, how do we represent the number of students, right? So, well, you will see many times that they will make a figure of a student, right? Do not select a difficult drawing. That is my suggestion. Smiley face could be a very good alternative, but why not keep it absolutely simple? And that is to say, as I showed you, just a circle, right? Just a circle. You may not even fill it, right? Just put it like this. But the important thing here is, what does this circle represent? So if you look into the data, you see these numbers are small numbers, right? So a circle could represent 4 for us. Now, half of the circle will be 2, quarter will be 1. Makes sense, right? So the circle will represent 4 for us, correct? Making sense, right? Okay. So on Monday, we have 24 students. So I will extend the pictograph right there. So 24 on Monday. So we'll make our pictograph. So another table here. Right. So we'll write the number of days here. Okay. Perfect. So days and students present. So it's a number. This means number of students present. So try to do a neat job. Okay. So we have now the number of days. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I'm just drawing some lines to be within those lines. Easy to read. You see that? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Great. So that is for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So draw along with me. Then you can also check your answers. So 24. 24 we will count by fours, correct? So we can, because each circle is 4 for me, so I'll say 4, right? 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Make sense? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Perfect. We represented them all 24 on Monday. Now 26 Tuesday. So let's go for these 6, right? Because 2 more than Monday, right? Now we got 24 here. 26 means 2 more. Each circle is 4, so half circle is what you have to draw. You get the idea. So that is how you have to do it, correct? So 26. I know it is slightly bigger, but that much is okay. You can see that this is half of a circle. Wednesday is 30. So means 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and then 2 more, right? So we can make half the circle. So this time I'm making like this. This is better half, right? Good job. So we got Wednesday 30, Thursday 25. So 24 plus 1, right? So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. How do I make 25? I need just one. So basically, we'll just make a quarter of a circle. Do you see that? That becomes a quarter of a circle. So that quarter represents 1 for me, and that is 25. And 27 means 24 plus 3. So try to sketch that now. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and Okay, so this time what we are going to do is we are leaving one quarter away. You get the idea. So we'll only do that much, right? So do you understand? Okay, let me redo it. Better? So that will be not a full circle, right? So one less. It makes sense. So we got 27, right? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 3, 27. Clear? So we have made a pictograph. So that is the pictograph which represents number of students each day, right? So it says number of students present during week. Is that clear? Okay. So that becomes the title of a pictograph. That is also very important. So title, and then we have the key, right? And now we are going to answer these questions. Correct. Represent the information. So we have done the first part. Second question is which day saw 100% attendance? So what is the day when 100%? Since there are 30 students, we know Wednesday is the answer. Correct. All were present. 30 of them, right? So it was, we can write down, this was Wednesday. Perfect. Third question is, what was the number of absentees in the week? So we have to find how many were absent during the week. So let us answer this question on a new page. Okay, so we had the question here. So, so now let's find out how many were absent each day. So we'll extend this particular table. So we'll make another column saying absent. That means 30 minus present, correct? Perfect. So let's make extend the table. So on Monday, it was how many? Let's write down. It was 30 minus 24. So total was 6. Then we had 30 minus 26, which is 4. Then we have 30 minus 30, 0. 30 minus 25, 5. And then 30 minus 27 on Friday will give me 3. So total absentees. Add them all, correct? 6 and 4, 10, 5, 15, and 3, 18. So we get this answer, 18 students. So 18 students were absent during the week. So important point was to understand that week, correct? So you have to add them all to get the full number. Is that clear to you? So that is how, see, we have represented or we have drawn a pictograph from the given information. Perfect. So I hope this concept is absolutely clear. Feel free to write your comments and suggestions. And if you want to study from me, send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Be the best. Great. So now, next question for you to do. So this is your question. Try to answer this question and then look into my video for its solution. Thanks for your time and all the best.